Hello, I'm Bill Cox. In this short video, I'd like to show you how Passgedfree can help you pass the 2014 GED Math Test. I begin by going to Passgedfree.com, and here are links to all four of the Passgedfree websites. And so I'll click on the math website. This math website is organized around a recipe for getting the 150 points you need to pass the test. 7 capitalized titles run across the top of the screen. These are the 7 sections of the websites. After the intro section, the next 3 are calculator, no calc, and LH fruit, which means low-hanging fruit. With these 3 sections, you can get at least 100 of the 150 points you need. The TI-30 SX calculator is your best friend on the test. You can use it on the test, but you should also practice with it. And if you can't find one, you can buy it from Amazon for about $14. Use it not just because it's faster, but because it lets you bypass many of the arithmetic skills. You don't have to worry about manipulating exponents or least common denominators, just for example. You just enter the problem into the calculator. The calculator section of the website shows you how. And let's look, just for example, at the exponents page in this section. So here you can see there are links to videos and other lessons, and not about the arithmetic necessarily, but about how to use the calculator. Here in particular is the reference sheet that's built into the test itself. And here is another example. Well, so these are other videos and lessons from places like Khan Academy. And here also are practice questions. Now in this calculator section, there are not only questions and answers, as you can see, there are also the precise calculator steps you would use to apply the calculator to the particular question. If you get good with this calculator, you can get at least 50 points on the test. Now next, the no calc section of the website helps you prepare for the 5 questions in part 1 of the test where you can't use a calculator. If you learn and practice the skills in this section, you can get another 15 points on the test at least. Now look at the LH fruit, the low-hanging fruit section. The 12 math skills here are indeed the low-hanging fruit of the test. They're self-contained and relatively easy. Let's look, for example, at scientific notation, which may be the hardest of the 12. So here you can see, for example, a video about scientific notation from Khan Academy. And here you can see I used the left arrow button on the browser to get back to the website. Here's another lesson about scientific notation from another website. In the entire math website, there are about 180 videos and other lessons just like this, and about 1/3 of them are in this LH fruit section of the website. Because it's so important. If you can learn and practice the 12 skills in this low-hanging fruit section, you can get at least another 35 points on the test. So you can get at least 100 points from these 3 sections. Now you can get another 35 points just by answering 40%, no more, of the test's algebra questions. And the other 3 sections of the website, algebra, word problems, and graphing, show you how. Algebra shows you how to simplify expressions and how to solve equations and inequalities. The word problem section shows you how to identify and then to solve 10 different kinds of word problems. And the graphing section shows you how to move from an equation to a line and from a line to an equation. The sections here all have internet lessons and examples. Now you can get the final 15 points you need for the 150 just by guessing at the questions you can't answer. In the intro section, there is a summary of the recipe I've just shared with you. And there is also, on another page about test taking skills, some suggestions about how to guess. Finally, there is a page in the intro section which makes it easy for you to send me your comments and suggestions. I'd love to hear from you. So good luck in using the website to help you pass the test.